Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And I have another beauty queen to show you right here. This is a 2008 Freightliner. And that's got a 24-foot flatbed slash stake body. So this is exactly the truck you guys keep calling me about. I want you to take a look under here. We have not done any painting or anything like that. This is just the way Freightliner built the truck. Rust-free, clean, clean, clean. Air ride seat. Passenger seat. It's got a little storage compartment thing in the middle there. Here's your cruise control. Look at the condition this is. It's just incredible. Such a nice clean truck. So this has got air ride suspension, so you have the drop here if you want to let the air pressure out, lower the back of it for loading. Really not necessary since you got a power lift gate. It does have air brakes on it. It's got a heated mirror. It's power switch for the lift gate. It's got powered locks, power windows. Kind of nice. Super clean. It's got an aftermarket AM FM in it. I guess I never checked that before. Don't even know where the power button is. That may or may not. Oh, there's a button. What does that do? Does that do anything? Yeah. Never know about the sound systems. They're usually pretty loud. You can't hear it anyway. Looky. Automatic transmission. And that one, 5-speed. I have this running because I wanted you to see that there's no check engine lights, nothing weird or dumb on it. It's got 6,300 hours is all. And whoops, went right by it. 178 for the odometer. We drove this here from Phoenix again. So nice truck. We know it starts, runs, drives, does everything it's supposed to do. There's your power mirror switch right there for both sides. That's kind of nice also. Headliner is good, straight, sound. Oh, and this has got the high back driver's side bucket seat on it. So you've got the adjustable armrest here, both sides. Nice, comfortable truck. Oh, look at there. It's even got one of them there things. Get the people out of your way. So anyway, it's a lead well body. It's 24 foot. And you're not going to have to replace any wood on that one. That's all steel. Now, we put brand new tires on the rear before we left Phoenix. There's your airbags. The front tires are very, very, very good. Somebody else put those on apparently just before we got it. This is nice. Nice steel diamond plate Tommy lift. That's about as good as it gets. So there's your Tommy lift right there. Control button is here. For those of you that have never had one, you turn that one on first so the light comes on. You push Tommy gate twice. When that lights up, then you've got a lift gate. And so this is a self-closing lift gate. So if you lower this down, and if you put these handles all the way back down, I'm just going to give this one a little help. I don't know, probably didn't need to. It probably would have got that anyway, but it's just nicer if you just do it right. Even still has a little safety wrap on the chain. So as long as those are down, that will automatically go up where it belongs. Now, up here, it's going to go up. You're going to give it just a little tug. You're going to bring it down. And it's going to live right there. Perfectly safe. Nice, nice truck. Steel sidewalls on it. Steel headache rack. Those mirrors right there, you gotta love them. Boy, those will save you some problems. There's the front tires. Again, doesn't need anything. 60-gallon aluminum fuel tank. And this side is just as clean as the other side. Even the headliner up there. Everything on this truck is solid. Such a nice piece. He's even got the pretty chrome grille. Pretty chrome grille, pretty chrome bumper on it there. Such a nice piece. We're just going to see if the build tag is still on there, which it is. Okay, and so that has the 240 horse Cummins ISC 240. It'll be a Allison 3000 automatic transmission, 5-speed. Nice piece. Oh, by the way, this started out from Freightliner as a 31,000 pound GVW truck, which would normally make a CDL, but the company, Leadwell, re-rated it down to 26. Now you can't read that there. So we called Leadwell. They're sending us a new tag since that's wore off. You can't read it. So if you are stopped anywheres, you could just point at that and say, yeah, look at there, boys, non-CDL. Nice truck. If you can use that truck, you give me a call right here at HD Trucks and Equipment in Henderson, Tennessee. My cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And once again, thank you for looking.